What if you could bring back your body's natural energy and strength with just 1 minute a day, no pills, no treatments, and no embarrassment? Imagine waking up every morning feeling strong, confident, and full of life again without relying on medication or complicated procedures. For many men, that natural vitality fades over time. But the truth is, your body still remembers how to perform. It simply needs the right kind of support to wake up those systems that have gone quiet. In this video, I will show you a simple 60-second self-massage technique that helps reactivate your natural circulation, restore responsiveness, and rebuild lasting confidence, all from the privacy of your own home. I'm Dr. Jennifer, a urologist with more than 20 years of experience helping men regain their health and performance through safe, natural methods. And today, I'm going to guide you step by step through one of the most effective and proven techniques I've shared with my patients. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where this powerful spot is, how to massage it correctly, and how often to do it to notice real, lasting results. Just 60 seconds a day, simple, private, and completely natural. Let's take a moment to understand what's really happening inside your body, because the truth is, most men experience these changes sooner or later, and it's not your fault. As we age, the body's internal communication starts to slow down. Think of it like an old electrical system. The wires are still there, but the signals don't travel as quickly or as strongly as they used to. These signals are what trigger natural responses in the body, and when they weaken, so does performance. Next, imagine your blood vessels as flexible garden hoses. When they're new, water flows easily. But over time, those hoses can stiffen, making it harder for blood to move freely and fill the areas that need it most. That reduced circulation means less power, less stamina, and less sensitivity. And then there are the pelvic muscles, the hidden core of your control and responsiveness. These muscles are like the body's foundation. But as they lose tone, it becomes harder to maintain the same strength and endurance you once had. Now, here's the good news. None of this is permanent. Your body isn't broken. It's simply operating at a slower speed. The communication between your nerves, your blood vessels, and your muscles has weakened. But it can be restored. With the right kind of stimulation, gentle, natural, and consistent, those same systems can wake up again. They just need a little reminder, a spark to remind them how to work and sync the way they used to. And that's exactly what the 60-second method I'm about to show you is designed to do. Help reconnect your body's natural communication lines, boost healthy circulation, and rebuild that strength and confidence from within. Now that we understand why these changes happen, let's explore how this simple technique works and why it can be so effective. Our bodies are filled with thousands of tiny communication pathways. These are networks of nerves and vessels that send signals between your brain, your muscles, and your circulatory system. When everything is connected and active, your body functions smoothly and responds quickly. But when those pathways slow down, you start to notice the difference. That's where pressure points come in. When you apply gentle pressure to specific areas of the body, something remarkable happens. You activate dormant nerve endings, the same ones responsible for controlling circulation, muscle tone, and responsiveness. It's like giving your body a gentle wake-up call. The moment those nerves are stimulated, they send messages through your system, signaling your blood vessels to open wider, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach the tissues that need them most. At the same time, your muscles begin to relax, tension releases, and sensitivity naturally improves. Think of it like jump-starting a battery. The energy is still inside. It just needs the right spark to get things moving again. Once that spark is triggered, the system begins to recharge itself, restoring the natural rhythm your body once had on its own. And here's the most exciting part. There's one specific point in the lower body that directly controls many of these vital functions. It's small, often overlooked, but when activated correctly, it can help restore communication between your nerves, muscles, and blood vessels faster than most other methods. In just a moment, I'll show you exactly where this spot is, how to locate it safely, and how to use it to begin your 60-second routine the right way. Now, let's talk about the key area that makes this entire technique so effective. It's called the perineum, sometimes referred to as the PARANIM. In simple terms, this is the small area of skin located between the base of the scrotum and the beginning of the back passage. It may not be an area most people think about, But medically, it's one of the most important zones for circulation and nerve activity in men. Here's why this spot is so powerful. Just beneath the surface lies the prostate gland, surrounded by a network of blood vessels and nerves that directly influence male performance, firmness, and overall vitality. You can think of this area as the control hub, the place where communication between your brain, blood flow, and pelvic muscles comes together. When gently stimulated, it encourages better blood circulation, reactivates dormant nerve pathways, and supports stronger muscular response throughout the pelvic region. The result is a natural, healthy improvement in your body's ability to perform without medication, supplements, or any form of discomfort. The best part is that this technique can be done safely and privately in the comfort of your own home. There's no need for special equipment or treatments, only your own hands, a calm moment, and the right approach. In the next part, I'll guide you through exactly how to locate and massage this area step by step, so you can start experiencing noticeable results within days. Now that you understand where this key area is and why it matters, let's walk through the simple 60-second massage technique step by step. This process is gentle, private, and completely natural, and when done consistently, it can make a truly noticeable difference in how your body feels and performs. Step 1. Get comfortable. Find a quiet space where you can fully relax without distractions. You can do this either sitting in a comfortable chair or lying on your back with your knees slightly bent. The goal is to feel calm and at ease, not rushed or tense. Take a few slow breaths and allow your body to settle. Before you begin. Step 2. Locate the spot. Using your index and middle finger, gently place them on that soft area of skin between your scrotum and your back passage. This is your perineum. Press lightly until you feel a small cushion-like firmness beneath the surface. That's the exact point you'll be working with. Step 3. Apply gentle, firm pressure. Begin by pressing steadily on this area. The pressure should be firm enough that you can feel the underlying tissue respond, but never painful. Think of it as pressing a doorbell, firm enough to activate it, but never so hard that it causes discomfort. Step 4. Use slow circular motions. Once you've found the right amount of pressure, start moving your fingers in small, slow circular motions. Go clockwise for about 30 seconds, maintaining the same gentle firmness throughout. Then, switch direction and move counterclockwise for another 30 seconds. You might begin to feel a gentle warmth or pulsing sensation. This is a sign that circulation is awakening and blood flow is improving in that region. Step 5. Focus on deep breathing. As you massage, keep your breathing slow and steady. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4, hold for 2, and exhale slowly through your mouth for 6. This helps relax your pelvic muscles and enhances the effect of the massage by allowing smoother blood flow and better nerve response. And that's it. The entire process takes just 60 seconds, yet it can create a remarkable shift in your circulation, sensitivity, and overall vitality. You can perform this routine once in the morning and once before bed for best results. It's simple, it's private, and it works in harmony with your body's natural systems. In the next part, I'll explain how to build this into your daily routine and what kind of results you can expect to notice over time. Now that you know the complete technique, let's talk about how often to do it and why. Consistency is the secret to real results. I recommend performing this simple massage twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. Each session takes just 60 seconds, but the impact builds with time. Morning routine. Doing this first thing in the morning helps activate healthy blood circulation throughout your pelvic region. It gently wakes up your body's internal systems, setting the tone for better energy and responsiveness all day long. Think of it as giving your body a natural early boost, a quiet signal that everything is ready and functioning as it should. Evening routine. Repeating the same massage before bed helps your body relax and restore overnight flow. It clears out any minor tension or congestion that may have built up during the day and allows for steady, balanced circulation while you rest. This is also when your body naturally regenerates, so giving it that little support can make a big difference over time. You can also use this technique 15 to 20 minutes before intimacy to enhance your natural response and confidence Increased blood flow and muscle activation from the massage can help your body perform more naturally, without external assistance or pressure. But the most important part is consistency. 1 or 2 sessions will not change everything overnight, but making it a daily routine absolutely will. Think of it just like brushing your teeth, a small effort that keeps your system healthy, strong, and reliable for years to come. When practiced regularly, this simple 60-second habit can bring back that natural rhythm your body once had and help you maintain it with ease and confidence. In the next section, I'll explain what results to expect over the next few weeks and how to track your progress so you can see real, noticeable improvement. Now that you know how and when to practice this technique, let's talk about what you can realistically expect to experience over time. Remember, this process is completely natural, and every body responds at its own pace. Patience, consistency, and a calm mindset are the keys to success. Week 1. During the first few days, most men begin to notice a gentle warmth or light tingling in the pelvic area. This is a positive sign that circulation is improving and that your body is beginning to reawaken dormant pathways. You may also feel a sense of relaxation or mild energy flow in your lower abdomen, all indicators that the process has started. Week 2. As blood flow continues to strengthen, many report the return of natural morning responses and a noticeable increase in sensitivity. This stage often brings the first real signs of progress, subtle but encouraging. Your body is remembering how to respond naturally again, without effort or strain. Week 3. By now, your pelvic muscles have become more active and responsive. You may begin to experience stronger, longer-lasting firmness and more stable performance. Your circulation pathways are clearer, your nerve communication is faster, and everything begins working together more smoothly. Week 4. At this stage, many men describe feeling fully restored, both physically and emotionally. Firmness returns more reliably, sensitivity is heightened, and overall confidence grows naturally. Your body begins functioning the way it was designed to: strong, responsive, and full of healthy vitality. But it's important to understand, results vary from person to person. If your circulation has been limited for many years, progress may take a little longer, and that's completely normal. The most important thing is to remain consistent, calm, and confident in the process. Think of this as a gentle retraining for your body, a way to remind it how to perform naturally, with no pressure and no rush. With steady commitment, the results can be life-changing. In the next section, I'll share a few advanced tips to make your results even more effective and to help you maintain them for the long term. Now that you understand the full technique and what to expect, let's explore a few advanced tips that can help you enhance your results and maintain long-term strength and vitality. These simple adjustments can make a significant difference, especially when practiced mindfully and consistently. Tip 1. Combine breathing with intention. Every time you apply gentle pressure or perform the circular motion, focus on your breathing. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 counts, and exhale through your mouth for 6. As you breathe out, visualize the tension leaving your lower body. This mindful breathing not only enhances relaxation but also improves oxygen flow, allowing the muscles and nerves to communicate more efficiently. Tip 2. Stay hydrated and active. Good circulation begins with a healthy body. Drink enough water throughout the day and include light physical activities such as walking, stretching, or yoga. Movement keeps your blood vessels flexible, and that flexibility supports your progress with this technique. Think of it as giving your body the right environment to thrive. Tip 3. Support your routine with proper nutrition. Foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and natural minerals like zinc and magnesium can further support blood flow and nerve function. Leafy greens, nuts, berries, and avocados are great examples. Your body's internal systems work together, so nourishing it from within strengthens the benefits of your external practice. Tip 4. Maintain consistency, but avoid overdoing it. The goal is gentle stimulation, not intensity. Perform the routine twice daily as discussed, once in the morning to activate circulation, and once in the evening to restore and relax. Overworking the area can create tension rather than relief. Balance is key. and even a few minutes a day is enough to keep progress steady. Tip 5. Be patient and positive. Every improvement you notice, whether it's warmth, responsiveness, or confidence, is a sign of real progress. Do not compare your journey with anyone else's. Healing and strengthening happen quietly, day by day. Your body simply needs time to rebuild its natural rhythm, and positivity accelerates that process. By combining mindful breathing, hydration, good nutrition, and consistency, you're not just improving one aspect of your health, you're supporting your entire circulatory and nervous system. Over time, this balance translates into lasting strength, vitality, and confidence. In the next section, we'll talk about how to maintain these results for life and keep your body functioning at its best, naturally and confidently. Once you begin to notice improvements, whether it's warmth, firmness, or renewed confidence, next goal is to maintain those results for the long term. Think of this as the stage where your body transitions from recovery to lasting vitality. The most important factor is consistency. Even after you start seeing positive changes, continue practicing the 60-second technique twice a day, just like brushing your teeth or stretching your muscles. This becomes a small but meaningful daily habit. It keeps the nerve pathways active, the blood vessels flexible, and the communication between your body and mind strong. Support your progress with a healthy routine. Stay active. Simple movements like walking, light jogging, or gentle yoga keep your blood flowing and your core engaged. Avoid long hours of sitting without movement, as circulation naturally decreases when the body stays still for too long. If you work at a desk, try standing or stretching for a few minutes every hour. Keep your nutrition in balance. A diet rich in whole foods, especially fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, nourishes your blood vessels and muscles. Avoid excessive alcohol, processed foods, and high sugar intake, as these can slow down your circulation and weaken your natural responses over time. Manage your stress. Mental tension often translates into physical tension. Deep breathing, meditation, or spending time outdoors can help relax both your mind and body. When stress levels are low, your nervous system performs more efficiently, which directly supports the results of this technique. And finally, listen to your body. If you ever feel discomfort, take a break and let your body rest. Progress should always feel comfortable and natural, not forced or rushed. The real transformation happens through steady practice and respect for your body's pace. Over time, most men find that their energy, performance, and confidence become not just restored but naturally sustained. Because once the body remembers how to function in balance, it keeps that rhythm effortlessly. In the final section, I'll share a few closing thoughts and encouragement to help you stay committed and continue your journey with confidence. You've now learned one of the most effective, natural ways to restore your body's balance and vitality, using nothing more than your own touch, focus, and consistency. Remember, your body is not broken. It simply needed a reminder, a gentle nudge to awaken the systems that were always there, waiting to work for you again. By practicing this simple 60-second massage each day, you're not only improving circulation and strength, but also rebuilding confidence from within. Every time you take a minute for yourself, you are sending a powerful message to your body. I care. I'm listening. I'm ready to heal. That mindset alone can transform the way you feel and function. What makes this method so remarkable is its simplicity. You do not need expensive supplements, medications, or complicated devices. You only need your own consistency, 1 minute in the morning to awaken energy, and 1 in the evening to relax and restore it. Over time, this becomes more than a routine. It becomes a quiet daily ritual of strength, awareness, and self-respect. Celebrate the small changes you notice along the way. A bit more warmth, a deeper sense of confidence, or a lighter, more positive outlook. These are signs that your body is responding exactly as it should. Stay patient. Stay consistent. And know that the effort you're investing in yourself today will reward you with lasting results, physically, emotionally, and energetically. Thank you for trusting me to guide you through this journey. Remember, every day is another opportunity to reconnect with your natural strength and vitality. Keep going. Stay mindful and let your body rediscover the power it was designed to have.